said the report filed by the commissioner.
I will not do that.
No,
Different
for me,
cases,
my
sir.
lords, to prove my case before the trial court,
Not relating to this case.
I have to produce those documents to prove my case because he is not a worthy witness.
All right, anything else?
One occasion, my lords, I will produce those documents and I will
Suit of
not.
specific performance of 2010,
Please, my lord.
languishing till
My lords,
2025.
now what will happen, my lords, if the witness is not cross-examined and now what will happen, my lords, if the witness is not cross-examined and his evidence
Justice,
is not.
You have not cross-examined him at all?
I have cross-examined.
Yes.
If
Anything else?
his statement has not been questioned, my lords,
No problems.
then that will be accepted by the trial court, wherein my agreement itself will be set aside.
Yes. Anything else?
So he is a witness, my lords, wherein there are several allegations against him.
Petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 17/6/2025 passed on applications filed by the petitioner, order 18 rule 17 and order 18 rule 17 no, the other
Section
order 7 rule 14 seeking
my lord.
recall of PW1 for further cross examination and production of certain documents, and those documents to be put in cross examination to the PW1. The suit is of the year 2010 and the suit is for specific performance.
Examined very long back.
PW,
3.
you want to recall PW3 now?
Please, my lords.
When was he examined? He or she, whatever, when was he examined?
He wanted to
September 8.
recall the PW3 to examine with respect to the documents sought to be produced.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ PW1 ಬೇಡ, PW3 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ.
PW3.
So
I'll have to ascertain the date.
The concerned court has rejected the application of the petitioner. The order of rejection, reasons rendered for rejecting the application so filed is as follows.
Case 59.
1 నిమిషం. 59 to 62. 63, man. 59 to 63. In the light of the aforesaid facts, I do not find any warrant to interfere with the order, which is order rejecting the applications on reasons being cogent. There is no perversity or error apparent for this court to intervene, interject, or quash the order so passed in exercise of its jurisdiction in Article 227 of the Constitution, and the petition thus lacking in merit stands rejected. Next.
Hello.
104.
Framing of additional.
Recasting of issues 14(5).
Yes, my lord. Framing of additional issue. That suit is one for bare injunction. There are.
Declaration is sought now, is it?
Declaration without seeking suit for declaration, suit is not maintainable. That is the specific stand. We request the court to frame that issue. That is rejected.
Suit for injunction is not maintainable.
Maintainable
Then
because there are, he will have to establish his title. A bare suit for injunction.
next date, no.
Next date.
Serve on the counsel. Contesting error. Plaintiff here.
Plaintiff, my lord. Plaintiff.
Petitioner to serve on the first respondent, the plaintiff. Serve on the counsel representing the first respondent, plaintiff, 23rd.
Well.
Preliminary hearing. Yes, next.
105.
For the petitioner, my lords, this is a plaintiff's petition. Suit is one for partition. Plaintiff files an A for amendment.
When?
29/4/25.
Suit ಯಾವರ್ಷ
2013. Files an amendment seeking to incorporate setting aside
Incorporate what?
setting aside
Incorporate what?
ಅಲ್ಲ sale na set aside which involves one of the suit schedule property that came to be dismissed.
What is the next date?
Tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow. Serve on the counsel. Petitioner to serve on the counsel. Contesting error. Ellaru.
Respondent number 2.
Petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents defendants before the concerned court. List on 25th.
Lords,
No stay in this. Yes, next.
106.
Lord, this is a matter, my lord, on the last occasion, your lordship had directed the trial to be completed within 4 weeks. Matter in summoning of the witnesses, your lordship had directed the,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ?
now, my lord, this order, my lord, was passed on 3rd July 2025. My lord, there are 2 suits, my lord, which was filed by the plaintiff. We are the defendants. One is, my lord, suit for eviction, and one, my lord, is suit for injunction. My lord, contrary praise. One is suit for eviction.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದು?
Let, IA number, when your lot dealt with it was IA number 92. So the century is
Oh,
not yet touched,
92 IA.
therefore let my learned friend.
Yes, sir.
22 years suit for eviction.
ಈಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ?
Matter posted for
ಅಲ್ಲ, I will-
arguments.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಈಗೇನಾಗಿದೆ?
ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ IA ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, in another suit.
No,
I
my
made
lord. And once after the disposal of the writ petition, my lord, this writ was disposed on 3rd July 2025. My lord, we filed an application, my lord, to order on 5/7, that is within 2 days, bringing to the notice of the court, my lord, in the suit for injunction which was filed, where cross-examination was conducted on 6/6/2025. There are certain materials, my lord, which in the cross they have told. So we wanted to produce this and mark it as a document. My lord, other than that, my lord, we will not do anything, my lord. Your lordship may say, tomorrow only we will, my lord, except for marking the document. Other than that,
ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ?
I'm sorry, that has been rejected.
Correct. Yes.
My lord, now, only reason now they give is that, my lord, what is elicited in the cross-examination is already illicit. One is suit for eviction. Now, my lord, in the suit for injunction, they said, now your lordship may kindly see the cross-examination, my lord, which was done.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. Anything else?
My lord, for
I
a
will
minute,
not permit a single day's adjournment here.
My lord, for a minute, my lord, page,
No, sir.
page 97 might be seen. my
Nothing.
lord. 93, my lord.
Anything else, sir?
For a minute, my lord, what do they say? My lord, in a
No
suit-
doubt you have, this 93rd IA ಇದು?
Allah, my lord, one
93 to 95.
Oh,
So 5 more to go.
TIS, my lord, to recall.
3 IAs, 92 to 95. ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಚುರಿ ಮಾಡೇ.
ಅದು litigation, my lord, is as
My lord,
old
for a-
as my kingdom. The plaintiff is a poor Maharaja.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
as old as my kingdom itself.
Plaintiff is a poor Maharaj.
No, as old as my kingdom ಒಂದೇ.
ಹಾ, ಅದೇ ಈ ರಾಜಾ ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ ಸಿಂಗ್
My lord.
ವಿಕ್ರಮ್ಜಿತ್ ಏನು?
Jyotendra Singh.
ಜ್ಯೋತಿಂದ್ರ
Lord,
ಸಿಂಗ್.
my
Yes, he is
intention
also
is not,
no
my
more.
lord, to drag on the proceeding. My only submission is.
What else is it,
My lord,
sir?
now, my lord, your lordship may kindly
And
see.
you are a man who is sitting there without anything.
No, he has no right over the property. That has to be decided.
Oh,
Now he's-
sir, you are a tenant.
My lord, not under him. Not under
Under his
him.
father.
No, not under
Then
him.
what?
That is our case. Now, my lord,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
my lord, my only, my lord,
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
my lord, my only submission is, in one side, they file a suit for eviction. Other side, my lord, they file a suit for injunction restraining
ಏನ್
us.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Allah. So their entire idea was to take an injunction and throw us out.
Nothing.
now in
ಅಲ್ಲ,
the suit for
what can
injunction-
be done? Which was the first one, sir?
My lord, in the suit
Which
for
is the first one?
This one,
eviction
1963
is
of
first one.
2002.
ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ?
eviction is first one.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ.
My lord, so now in the suit for bare injunction, they say that they have not put me in possession at all. My lord, your lordship may kindly for a minute see that, my lord. My lord, if it is for dragging the proceedings, I can understand. Now, my lord, what I am trying to say is, any date, my lord, today, tomorrow, any date.
I
we
will not permit dragging the proceedings or the argument. Close. Anything
My
else?
only submission is that, my lord, let that be. Today also, my lord, we are ready, my lord. He is in the court itself. My matter is posted for arguments.
Continue, sir.
My lord, we will, my lord, today itself, my lord, we will mark that documents. That is all which is required of. The lordship may kindly look into this, my lord, look into the reasoning, my lord, which has been given.
Correct ಆಗೇ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ.
Allah, totally contrary.
ಎಲ್ಲ
my lord,
ಅಲ್ಲೇ
to the-
ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ
Yes, separate ಇದೆ. Therefore, my lord, I will show it to your lordship that the reasoning is totally contrary.
ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು 25 ವರ್ಷ ಎವಿಕ್ಷನ್
5 ಲಕ್ಷ.
ಈಗ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಐ
My
ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್?
ಈಗ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ
Now
stay
I'll
ಇಲ್ಲ
do it.
ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ.
My lord, may
Now
my
I'll
lordship
do
may kindly see the order, my lord, which is passed. Now, whether it is in conformity with the cross-examination which was
I
held
will
in-
not even look into it. I have looked into it enough on the last occasion.
My lord, because, my lord, if the plaintiff says that they have never put me in possession, my lord, that is what, my lord, I want to, my lord, mark it in the court.
Anything else?
I can
Cost
just
ಎಷ್ಟು?
request, my lord, 97, your
Dismissed
lordship.
with cost ಎಷ್ಟು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ ಬಿಪಿನ್ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿಂದ
If your
10 ಲಕ್ಷ
lordship would
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
allowed with little cost, my lord,
Dismissal also with cost.
Lord, my humble submission.
25ನೇ
23 years.
23 years. Eviction suit.
Allah, eviction suit, my lord, the very fact, there are two suits, one for eviction, one for injunction restraining me from interfering with the possession. My lord, I do not know, my lord, I have never seen, my
Training
lord,
area. No,
in
let
22
me
years, I have
clarify.
not seen. also.
ಹೆಂಗಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Allah, my
Let
lord,
me clarify.
one side eviction suit, one kade temporary
let me
injunction.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗೋ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಆಚೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ.
Therefore, my lord.
They're
now
squatting
the-
over the property
my
with
lord,
nothing.
That is their case. My case is, my lord, they are not the owners. We have, my lord, produced enough material for
Tenant
that.
will
that
always say you are not the owner.
he is not, my lord, that we'll say, we'll, my lord, show. Now, my lord, only
Tenant
this,
ಗಿರೋ ಅಸ್ತ್ರ ಅದೇನೆ. First prove your ownership, ಆಮೇಲೆ tenancy ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. What
Lord,
is this, sir?
today itself, my lord, it is not.
Anything else, sir?
A little.
ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ? ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ಡ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಾವು ಬಿಟ್ರೆ.
ಡಿಸ್ಮಿಸ್ ಈಗಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ನಾಳೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಕೇಸ್.
ನೋ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Second application would be direct the plaintiff to cross-examine me on this document.
ಇಲ್ಲ
They will file it.
We will give an undertaking, Malad. Other than marking, we will not do anything. Let the matter be after that posted for argument.
What's the use of marking?
Allah, Malad,
Marking of a document will not amount to its proof unless you cross-examine. So next step begins. Yes, anything else, sir? Dismissed. What happened?
That is a monetary suit in the trial court,
2011.
2011 filed here. 2014 now hearing comes. The
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
suit was based on the pronote and execution of consideration receipt. The execution of pronote and consideration receipt been admitted. Your actually page memo, page 16 and 17. All these exhibitions been admitted. But the trial court said, you have not produced bank statement and my suit was dismissed. That's not the only ground. Notice may be issued, your lordship.
Notice.
Notice may be issued.
Notice.
And, next date of hearing may be your lordship.
31st. Returnable, emergent notice to the respondent returnable by the 6th of August.
Oblige.
ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ 6th of August. ನೀವು ಅವ್ರು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
108.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್.
ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಅವ್ರು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 60,500 ಬಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು 60,500 ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ನಾನು 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಕಳೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 10,250 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾವ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್?
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಅದು 10,000 ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಫೀ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ 7,000 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್.
ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ 10,250
ಏನೋ ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಈ ರಿಬೇಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 2 ಎವಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ ನಾನು
ಸರಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನ್ನ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ನಾನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಫಿಡವಿಟ್. ಈಗ 60,250 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕೋ ಬೇಡವಾ ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅವರು 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ವಾಲೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಈಗ
ಬೇರೆ ದಿನ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಪೆಟಿಷನರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಿಡಿ.
10,250 ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮೇ ಕೈಂಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ವೇವ್ಡ್.
The petitioner is before this court seeking the following prayer. This court on 3/7/2025 had passed the following order. Pursuant to the said order, both the petitioner, tenant and the respondent landlord have filed their respective affidavits. The affidavits read as follows. In the affidavit of the petitioner, he would submit that he would vacate and deliver vacant possession of the property within 9 months from
the date
today,
of the order.
from today. 9, which order?
10/7
date of order ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
From 10/7/2025. Certain conditions are imposed with regard to return of the advance amount that is paid at the time of entering into the tenancy, which is at 50,000. The learned counsel for the respondent submits that 10,000 rupees cost was imposed, which is to be paid by the petitioner.
10,250.
10,250 is the cost imposed, which is not paid. In the light of the settlement arrived to the landlord within 4 weeks from today. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಂಗೆ.
ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Great. Yes.
109.
The respondent
711 in partition will not accept, sir. Partition suit ತಾನೆ?
There is a declaration in respect of 3 documents, my lords. The documents of the years 1969, 1999 and 2000, my lord. And the plaintiffs are the parties to the said documents, my lords. They had the knowledge about the documents since all along, my lord.
Partition suit 711 ಬರೋದೆ.
This is not a suit for partition, my lord.
ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ?
They sought for partition of off share, and they have also sought for the declaration in respect of 3 documents, my lord. The declaration in respect of three documents, my lords.
Anyway, notice. Yes.
Stay.
No. Yes.
110,
ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, notice.
111.
Notice.
This matter may seek for some accommodation, my lords. This is a matter where Order 7, Rule 11 application is rejected and they have challenged it. Lords, if it's taken up next week, my lords, because the matter is
Yes, Manu.
posted next on 5th, I'm given to understand.
Then we'll take it on 25th.
Anytime, my lords. Please.
Let's, at the request of the council appearing for the respondent, list the matter on.
16th
List the matter on
18 matter
25th.
ಇದೆ.
Next, yes.
Day after, my lords.
No, sir, 25th.
115 I appear.
Notice.
But the father died on 16/9.
What's the suit for?
Suit for partition.
Yes, notice.
What was
Next.
sought was, may I make a submission? Relinquishment deed, registered deeds were executed by the plaintiffs. All of them relinquished their rights during the lifetime of the father. Father died on 16/9/2009. Afterwards, there is a partition amongst the family members. Now they come forward in 2024 and file the suit.
No problems. Notice, yes.
But I sought for stay.
Partitions, no, sir, yes.
116.
For the caveator in this matter.
Eviction has been ordered.
Hmm,
My lord, the
tenant,
only Tenant,
ಏನು arrears?
no arrears.
ಮತ್ತೆ why?
My lord, please have a look at page 32, my lord, annexure B.
Yes, madam,
The suit is filed.
ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ.
My lord, this, the landlord is a charitable institution
Hmm.
running a hostel for the poor students from
ಆಯ್ತು,
100
ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್
years.
ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
They are having a
Yeah,
commercial
transport.
premises which was let out to them.
Commercial premises.
Yes.
Commercial premises which has been let out to me.
One portion
I
of
am
the
running a
hostel, my lord,
transport.
is
ಏನ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕಾ?
the dilapidated building, 100-year-old
Dilapidated.
building.
Hmm.
We're demolishing it and new hostel is being constructed, proposed to be constructed.
Hmm.
Lord,
Where
there
is
are
the
more than
proposal?
about 60 tenants.
It was
Wait,
placed
wait.
before the honorable trial court. If your lordship is pleased, I'll place all of that in record. The only two contentions that they have raised, they are not disputed the landlord-tenant relationship at all. What they're
That's all,
saying
he
is,
is not.
By one C Rajshekar claiming himself to be the managing trustee at annexure B,
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
page
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
32.
You
But
entered, you
someone
entered in, you
authorized.
entered as a tenant person to what agreement?
Tenancy agreement.
Agreement
Release
with whom?
deed. My lord, with the
Agreement with
respondent.
whom?
With the respondent here, and
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
that is the plaintiff.
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ?
On the, my lord, 2.5 years, my lord.
2,
because-
2.5
ಅಲ್ಲ,
years,
ಯಾಕೆ
building ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ-
ಕೆಳಗೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರದ್ದು ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಗಳ ಜೊತೆ ನಾನು ಖಾಲಿ
ನೋಡೋಣ, ನೀವು
ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಒಂದ್ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಹಾಗೆ
ಓ,
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
2 ವರ್ಷ.
My lord,
Tell me, give me some reasonable time so that she'll put it across to them and come back.
my lord, 2 years, my lord.
No,
Because
2
I've been
years.
running a transport business for the
No,
last
no.
decade. It could take some time, my lord.
First you begin, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲ, I will. I am not saying I will not vacate.
Yes, madam.
3 to 6 months is maximum
ಅದು
that
you,
can be allowed.
the
my lord. Because
extreme,
one
ಅವ್ರದ್ದು
portion,
extreme, ನಿಮ್ದು extreme.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಒಂದು
one
ವರ್ಷ.
portion is already under construction.
1 year.
One portion is already under construction. my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Other than the technical aspects, nothing has been raised.
It's all right. ಈಗ
They tried to
But the
drag
trial
it on.
court has not considered that, my lord.
They
This
tried
was
to
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ
drag
ಇಲ್ಲ.
on.
before the trial court,
ಈಗ
the person who
we will
filed the
grant
suit.
you 1 year's time, file an affidavit,
No,
we'll
1
close
year,
it.
1 year will be too much, my lord, because
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ದು
one
ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ
portion of the
ಖಾಲಿ
hostel.
ಮಾಡೋದು
ಅವ್ರು
ಕಷ್ಟ
2,
ಆಗೇ
ನೀವು
ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
6, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1. ಎಸ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 1-3 ಮಧ್ಯ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
1 ವರ್ಷ. File an affidavit, otherwise we'll answer it on merits.
Please have it sometime next week, my lord.
Next week, 25th. Yes.
Till then, let them not execute it.
Don't, till the next date, the petitioner shall not be evicted. ಹೆಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತದು?
Please,
There shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings till the next date of hearing.
date may be fixed, my lord.
25th, madam.
25th.
ಅವತ್ತು affidavit ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೇಕೆಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Yes.
Then 17,
Notice.
then 18.
ಏನ್ ಸೂಟ್ ಏನು?
Suit for partition, my lords.
Notice.
My lords, barred by limitation. My lords, admittedly in the plaint, she says, my lords, in the 94, she purchased, my lords, the suit schedule property from her own brother. My lords, which was acquired, my lords, partition, my lords, among
We'll see, let them come. Dismiss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? No, no, yes, next.
Then, my lords, covered by, my lords, decision of the.
We'll see, yes. Notice returnable by 6th August ಎಲ್ಲ. List on 6th August.
My lords, for a
Madam,
moment,
ಬರೀ
my lords,
notice ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ 6th August.
plaint, my lords, in the plaint itself, they admit that in 94, she purchased, my lords, 18 guntas of the suit schedule. She is aware about the, my lords, partition took place
What
between the,
partition of what properties?
my lords, one schedule, this schedule property, my lords.
Next, sir, yes.
Then 18,
Yes, Manjunath, suit for,
Mandatory injunction.
why?
partnership deed, my lord, partner files the suit, my lord, seeking for certain directions against the other partners, managing partner, my lord. In the agreement, my lord, there's a clear the clause for arbitration, my lord. And we have raised it in the written statement also, my lord, in the first instance itself, my lord. Suit is not maintainable.
Petitioner shall serve on the counsel who represents the respondents, plaintiffs 1, 2, 3, and 4, and file an acknowledgement of such service by the 11th. List on 25th. Further proceedings shall remain stayed. Oh, sorry, by 18th. By 18th to the 25th. Further proceedings shall remain stayed.
Yes. By the petitioner, my lord. Suit for partition, my lord.
Notice.
My lord, the registered instrument of way back in 1970,
Notice,
my lord.
yes, sir.
My lord, notice may be dispensed for 3 to 50, my lord.
3 to
50.
50.
There are the, my lord, my suit after suit. This is the third.
After suit.
The sides, 2 suits are settled in compromise, my lord.
I will see suit after suit. Kodile and suit after suit after suit. Kodile and suit after suit. ಎಷ್ಟನೇ suit ಇದು?
Third suit, my lord.
First ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
First they settled out of the court and reported, my lord. That
Same
is-
parties?
Same parties, same suit, all properties.
The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order rejecting an application under Order 7, Rule 11 filed by the present petitioner defendant number 36 again, in OS 1265 of 2024. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that this is the third suit in line filed by the very plaintiffs for partition and of the same suit schedule properties. Based on the said submission, there shall be an interim order of stay of the further proceedings before the concerned court till the next date of hearing. Petitioner to serve on the plaintiffs before the concerned court and file an acknowledgement by the 18th, list on 30th.
We dispense for 3 to 50. They are not.
Counsel for the petitioner files a memo seeking dispensation of issuance of notice to 3 to
50.
3 to 50.
Please, ma'am.
Accepted, dispensed with at the risk of the petitioner. Next.
Suit for, initially, suit for declaration and injunction, no possession sought. According to them, cause of action was on 13th January 2015 when we tried to interfere with possession.
Where do you get that?
That, my lord.
Plaint government.
Plaint government, my lord.
Page.
Kindly see page 24. Right on top, my lord. Paragraph 11, such being the facts on 13/1/2015, defendants have objected and restrained the plaintiff. Then, my lords, 13/1/2015, defendants have objected and restrained the plaintiff. Then, my lords, what they do is they seek amendment of their plaint. They say, actually, by inadvertence, we forgot that you were actually in possession. Now we are seeking possession.
Forgot that we were in possession.
It's precisely what they say. Now, kindly see the order.
Heard the learned senior counsel Vikram Huligol appearing for the petitioner. The petitioner is before this court calling in question an order dated 6th June 20 of action, or it was barred by limitation. The learned senior counsel takes this court to the plaint governments to demonstrate that even according to the plaint governments, the cause of action arose in the year 2015 and the suit is preferred in the year 2021. In that light, there shall be an interim order of stay of further proceedings before the concerned court till the next date.
121. 121.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಅಫಿಡವಿಟಾ ರೆಡಿನಾ?
There is a arrears of rent and damages awarded in the book code below. Memo of calculation.
Memo of calculation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ?
As far as arrears of rent is concerned, there is no whisper either in the termination.
ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಹಂಗಾರೆ. Memo of calculation list tomorrow. Yes, go to the other courts list.
Number
Day after
Day after tomorrow.
Please, great.
Court all 8 list go.
Number 3.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾರು? ರಿಟೈರ್ಮೆಂಟಾ?
Retired.
ಏನ್
Pensionary benefit has not been fixed as per from the date of the initial appointment.
Next week.
ಯಾರು ನೀವು? HCGP-ಯಾ?
Government advocate.
GA, sorry. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Already notice has been ordered, my lordship, as well as this court is directed to get the information in relation to the settlement of pensionary benefits.
ಯಾವಾಗ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್? ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಯಾವಾಗ? ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ as what?
31st May 2021, my lordship.
31st May
2021.
As what?
as SDM.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ?
Pension ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾ.
From the date of initial appointment, I have been extended all the benefits, my lordship. Till the date of superannuation, I have been paid everything, my lordship. After my retirement, my lordship, the pay has been refixed by excluding the unaided period. As per the.
Unneeded, covered,
That is my lordship, as per the interim order granted by the Sangha Court.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್, ಎಸ್.
ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Division bench ಅಲ್ಲಿ there is an order saying you pay the pensionary benefits right from the date of initial appointment, subject to the outcome of the writ appeal, they will indemnify. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೇ ತಾನೇ 2021 ಲಾಗಿರೋದು ಆರ್ಡರ್. Yes sir. What pass over? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವ ನೀವು?
Instructions.
ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಪಾಸ್ ಓವರ್. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್.
Number 2.
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Number 3.
ಗೋವಿಂದರಾಜ್,
851.
ಏನಿದು?
The impugned order. Lord, my only submission is this is a.
The order on the face of it is stigmatic, which could not have been passed without at the outset holding a departmental inquiry. The issue stands answered by plethora of judgments rendered by the apex court or this court as the case would be. In the light of the order already coming into effect, no interim order can be put to place the petitioner status quo ante. However, emergent notice to the respondent returnable by the 7th of August. Yes.
Number 4.
Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers, my lords. I am for the petitioner.
Anganwadi
Workers and Anganwadi, I am for the petitioner.
Anganwadi
Workers and Anganwadi helpers, my lords.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ?
It is bad judgment, my lord. There was a direction to regularize, my lords, the Anganwadi workers and Anganwadi helpers. Page 252, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಈಗ?
My lord, no, my lords, we are in service. We have given representation to them. This year we are completing 50 years of this ICDS scheme.
15 years.
50 years, 50.
50 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಲಸ.
50 ವರ್ಷದ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ 15-20 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೀವಿ, 25 ವರ್ಷ ಇದೀವಿ. It spreads over various lords, petitioners. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು representation ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. In the connected matters, my lord, this honorable court has already issued notice.
Oh, you notice will issue, sir. I thought entry order ಕೊಡಬೇಕು.
Entry order ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಕೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕೊಡುವಂತಲ್ವಾ?
It has to be decided.
Yes, Ahmad sir, why are you here?
Pardon me, your lordship. I was here only to add a lunch at serial number 1, your lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಅದೊಂದು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್.
ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್?
Place that order.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ? ಡಿವಿಷನ್ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇದೆ. I have produced the document, my lordship, 160 and 161, my lord.
Yes, Ahmad sir.
I'll come to
same order.
After that,
division bench has passed some other order?
Yes, sir.
Good.
My good friend is also, I am only arguing that matter, your lord.
All are good friends, sir.
Order dated 22/10/21.
Contempt proceeding drop ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆನಾ?
22/10/21. And additional advocate general submit that there are other collateral proceedings in contempt jurisdiction.
ಇದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆರ್ಡರ್.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ it is also another order on 12.
You show me that another order. ಅದೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 12/11/2000.
ಅದರಲ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಕಂಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ದೇನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಯ್ತು, it is open for the learned advocate general or learned additional advocate general to place copy of this order before contempt bench and request to
contempt bench to be deferred.
The whole issue is that, your lordship. Now the crux of the case is that they are seeking for the consideration of the non-aided period.
Sir, this is not today's problem.
Yes, your lord.
It sprang in 2001.
Yes, your lordship.
All right.
Correct.
The unaided period that you have extracted work from them, the courts hold that it should be granted. You brought in an amendment that is struck down as unconstitutional. That is pending before the first thing went to Supreme Court and got dismissed.
Correct.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? dismiss ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ law amend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. amend ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು is that is struck down by Justice Arvind Kumar.
Yes.
ಆಮೇಲೆ it goes before the division bench ಅಲ್ಲಿ matter is still pending. ಅಲ್ಲಿ division bench ಅಲ್ಲಿ every person is being granted division bench ಅಲ್ಲಿ matter is still pending. ಅಲ್ಲಿ division bench ಅಲ್ಲಿ every person is being granted pension in it. It is sir. What is Justice Mukherjee ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಕೊಡಿ.
ನನಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
Justice Mukherjee ಅವ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ
ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 160 ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್
ಯಾರ್ದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದು?
Lordship, the interim order.
Interim order.
ನಂಬರ್ 160
To be paid ಅಂತ ಇದೆ Justice ಇವ್ರದ್ದು ಇರ್ಬೇಕು.
Annexure, yes, my lordship, the same.
Annexure J.
Mukherjee.
Yes, correct.
That is what I have ಮಾಡಿ 3 ಜನ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೊಕೇಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ to speak, to have a meeting and to come up with solution ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಏನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಂತು?
ಅಲ್ಲ 22,000 crores ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಆಗದಲ್ಲ ಇರೋ ಕೆಲಸ.
2,000 crores
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಮೌಂಟನ್ ಇಯರ್, ಅಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಮಿಷನ್.
No. See, in 2014, when the amendment was brought about to overcome the judgment of the division bench and the apex court,
Correct.
what is projected in the amendment ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಅಂತಿದೆ. Amendment ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು 2014 amendment, ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 3,000 ಕೋಟಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ.
476. ನನಗೊಂದು ಕೆಲಸ, I will argue on this.
No, in the before the apex court also you made the same
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ
thing.
ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
SLP 22801 which was rejected, confirming this order, there also you made the same submission.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
In the appeal, my lordship, they have stated 5,000 crores subsequently.
apart
Now
from
it has
that
been
your
increased.
lordship.
22,000
ಇಲ್ಲ
ಕೋಟಿ.
ನನಗೊಂದು ಚೂರು ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
BBMP ಇರೋದು
ನಾನು
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
ಏನು
ಯಾಕೆ
ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ,
ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
ನನಗೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
ಇರ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ, ನಂದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು? ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ?
ಒಂದು
ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್
So
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ.
my humble submission, it can be tagged with 2476.
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜು ವಿಪರೀತ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಆ 3 ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿ.
The whole, what he got the benefit of the order at annexure B.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿ. ಎಸ್
ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ದು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್ ಭಟ್ರೆ, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಲ್ಲ?
I submitted my lords.
ನೋಟಿಸ್.
Notice.
ನೋಟಿಸ್.
I will take notice to my lords, Government Advocate and Union of India.
ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಯಾರು? ಲರ್ನಡ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ನೀವು 2 to 4. ಲರ್ನಡ್ HCGP, ಲರ್ನಡ್ AGA accepts notice for respondents 2 to 4. Yes, next. ಸುವರ್ಣ ಭಟ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಏನ್ ನೋಟಿಸಾ? ನೋಟಿಸ್, ಎಸ್.
For the respondent number 3, your lordship, 2 weeks of time.
Learned counsel for the respondent 6, 2 weeks time. Lokayukta, list next week.
8,
Same, next week.
9,
On the last occasion, notice was ordered and hand.
Urgency ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿ.
Please, sought for stay, Lord. There is no interim order.
ಏನ್?
But the appointment of
objection.
Senate member, appointment of Senate member, my lords, annexure D is the impugned in the present writ petition. Where, my lords, the regulation says, my lords, as per the seniority, my lords, they have to recommend the name of the professors for the Senate member. Lord, by overlooking my seniority, my lords, my junior has been, the name has been recommended.
Which rule is that?
My lord, kindly come to page.
Recommendation ಮಾತ್ರನಾ appointment ಆಗೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Appointment ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ.
ಆಗಿದೆ.
That is what.
Subject to result. Already ಆಗಿದೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅದು?
ಆಗಿದೆ 25, that is annexure D, 25/6/2025.
The appointment of the private respondent as member of the Senate of Bangalore Vishweshwaraya Technological University shall remain subject to the result of the petition. Yes, next. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, appointment ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು?
Notice order ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ, appointment ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು?
Notice order ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, hand delivery, hand summons ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, hand summons we approached the third respondent to take hand summons.
Emergent notice.
He has refused to take it, my lord.
Affidavit ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Yes, madam, I'm filing.
Counsel for the petitioner has filed an affidavit of refusal of acceptance of summons by the third respondent. The affidavit is taken on record, but the registry is directed to print the name of the third respondent and show him as served.
Please.
Yes.
We have served through WhatsApp also.
ಆಮೇಲೆ remain subject to the result of the petition. Next.
Great. May I request for a short date, maybe fix no.
I'll ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
It's a 10-year post, my lord.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. tenure post ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ?
For 3 years, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ. Yes. Next.
10,
Next week. Yes.
11,
Transfer have been challenged, premature transfer, lordship.
Stay, first time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಾ?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್.
Comply with the office objections. ಯಾವಾಗಿನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಇದು?
Transfer.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಗೈಡ್ಲೈನ್ಸ್?
Guidelines ಇದೆ.
ಸೇಮಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, there
ಬೇರೆ
is
ಇದೆ
separate
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
guidelines have been framed.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು?
Section E.
ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಸಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು?
5 years ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
Reason also not assigned.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ just.
Already report.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನನಗೆ just.
Already reported.
We have relieved the services of the petitioner.
But I have not reported.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿಲ್ಲ?
None.
The petitioner is before petitioner, an electrician in the respondent agriculture university is before the court calling in question an order of transfer, which according to him is premature. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the minimum tenure at a place in the university, according to the guidelines for a Group C employee, is 5 years. And he is admittedly transferred within 2 years of his placement in the said place. In that light, as also the learned counsel would further submit that no other person is posted to the place of the petitioner and he is not yet relieved. In that light, there shall be an interim order as prayed for. Yes. Next.
My name is.
Learned, ನೀವು ಯಾರಿಗೆ? Learned counsel so and so accepts notice for all the respondents. Register to print the name of so and so is appearing for the respondent. Next.
12,
For petition is fairly seeking an adjournment, Lordship.
Next week, yes.
Date can be fixed, Lordship.
ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳಿ. Yes, next.
13,
Same connected matter, serial number 26, Lordship.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
Please.
13,
Next week,
14,
please next week.
15,
Same order.
For the petitioner, my lord, I am seeking interim relief in this matter.
15.
Yes.
ಏನ್ ಬಿಡಿಯ? ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
Petitioner serial number 15.
ಅವರ ನೀವ?
Serial number 15, my lord, has a-
My lord,
50.
14.
ನೀವು 14?
14.
ಮಧುಸೂದನ್?
Yes,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು?
my lord, in this matter, my lord, the complaint.
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ?
Yes, my lord,
ಏನ್?
against the petitioners, my lord. Not saying that, my lord, there was a road encroachment, my lord.
Just on Thursday.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಳೆ
Thursday, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿ, ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿ. Yes, next. 15 ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್.
15,
Working as a data entry operator in the BDA. He has been working since from the year 2005, my lord. And his services, my lord, have been appointed, my lord, have been entered into the services of the BDA, my lord, by following the due procedures. Annex C is the order.
ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ?
Now, my lord, without any notice, my lord, has been refused employment with effect from 8/4/2025, my lord.
8/4/2025.
Please, my copy was not in fact, my lord, communicated to the petitioner.
The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has been working in ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
Second respondent BDA, my lord.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ?
Since from 2005.
Been working in respondent BDA since 2005, which would be 18 years, 20 years today, without any break. The learned counsel submits that without even a notice being issued to the petitioner, he has been asked not to come back to duties. In that light, if the petitioner has not been relieved as on today, shall not be relieved till the next date of hearing.
Public.
Next.
15,
It's a matter I'm seeking for regularization, my lord.
Notice. Yar government, learned AGA is directed to accept notice for respondent 1, 2, 3, 4th emergent notice, 4 and 5 emergent notice.
17,
Wait, please. Appearing for the land council. Annexure B, the transfer order.
17.
Serial number 17. Annexure B.
First time ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
This first time, fresh matter. Annexure B, my lord, with transfer order, serial number 2.
From
She
where
is
to where?
transferred. She is transferred, my lord, to KPT value. Number 1, my lord, is transferred to her post. This order, my lord, the government, they recall this order, 21/6/2025. That has been, my lord, recalled because annexure D. On the ground, while he, respondent number 3 has put in only Govendra has been posted.
Both of you are before this court in page 34.
34 only he was in before the honorable.
Sir, come to the last line. Till then impugned order so and so in so far as petitioner and Nandini would remain stayed.
My lord,
What do you mean by that?
That is the recall order, my lord, annexure D.
Whatever, sir, it is there already.
Annexure D is there. Now,
1 minute.
please.
Naidu, sir. I'm not audible. You're not audible. Madam, unmute ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? No, there is The in-charge court also has some matters here. I'll just complete and take it today. About 4:30 or 4:45. You need not wait. At 4:45, if you join, it's enough, sir. Yes.
Please, my lord, the coordinate bench, my lord, when he approached the court, made this order, my lords, annexure D insofar as both of them stayed. Despite that, my lord, the department is insisting that I have, since petition has not approached the court, my lord, they issued a memo to her to join, my lords. Annexure
ಈಗ
J.
ಇಬ್ರು ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಇರಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
Now, my lords, only thing is, till I will not be, my lord, you can be permit me, my lord, they are insisting that I should take charge in the transferred post now.
ಸರಿ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ has been stayed.
Please, my lord, Raghavendra,
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
cancellation order is stayed.
Cancellation order is
This
stayed.
cancellation order, this transfer order is cancelled.
Correct, sir. He is already in a place. Now you want
It
to
has
be
come
in
to-
that place.
No, I will not. I want, what I only pray is, my lords, let my lord annexure J insofar as directing me to join there, be stayed till consideration, my lord. Only that much, my lords. I will not go back.
List the matter on Friday. The insistence on the petitioner to join at the transferred place shall remain state till the next date.
Please, you must
Yes.
kindly call it tomorrow.
Tag
because Other
this
matters
pet-
tomorrow. my
Tag
lords.
this, ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Other matters tomorrow. They are
ಎರಡು
insisting.
ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಡಿ.
That's only.
That bench is not there tomorrow. I am, it's here only. Yes.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
Tag this petition along with page 34 ಒಂದು petition ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
Please, my lords. And
Tomorrow.
notice to the educate, my lords.
ಏನ್ ಬೇಡ,
Respond
tomorrow
about-
ನೋಡೋಣ.
As my lord. I'm great.
ಈಗ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಇನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ.
ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, like 3 days I am
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
charge court. Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅದು ಇಂಟ್ರಿಮ್ ಅವ್ರು let them not insist. That's the problem is they are insisting her to join.
ಅದು ಒಂದ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಬರೀರಿ. Day after tomorrow.
Please, I'm most grateful.
Yes. Heard the learned senior counsel be paid.
Please.
Next.
Petitioner, my lord. It's a non-payment of PL encashment.
Leave encashment.
Leave encashment.
Where is your file?
It's here.
Ah.
It's actually.
Tag the petition along with so and so ಕೊಡಿ.
Yeah, it's.
Emergent notice to the respondent. Tag so and so. Next. Yes, Shivu, Totad.
My lord, sir, the petitioner has been appointed on contract basis, my lord, and as Taluk Development Officer. And
Hello,
his representation has been rejected.
Plus, the order has been passed by the government. They have sought for appointment as Taluk Development Officer, my lords, which is a Group B post. Cannot be permitted, my lords. They are asking for regularization.
ಆಯ್ತು, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೈಸೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ?
From 2004.
Relieved, is it?
No, I have not yet been relieved, my lords. I have been in continuous.
You are appearing for whom?
For the corporation, my lords, or
Yes, list the matter. Objections haki. The respondent shall file its statement of objections. The petitioner submit that, ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇನಾ? 1920.
Yes, my lords.
The petitioner submit that the, madam.
I sought for stay, my lords. Let them not terminate me from the services. Let them
in
not
fact, they're
relieve
on.
me, my lords.
I've been informed that they've been working as an outsourced employee at this point, my lords. I'll file detailed objections, my lords. I'll place all the documents, necessary documents on record.
At list on Friday.
But still that time, let the interim.
ಇರ್ಲಿ,
protection.
ಆಗಿಲ್ವಲ್ಲ? Yes,
ಅಲ್ಲ,
list on
ಏನ್
Friday.
ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? Now they are going to give me for the outsourcing agency, my lords. That's a reason.
Yes, ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ madam? The respondent shall not, the petitioner shall not be relieved if not relieved as on today.
Please.
Okay.
Next matter also same. Next matter is also same.
Same, ಗೊತ್ತು.
Please.
21.
It's 21, I'm appearing for the.
21 actually for the caveat Premature respondent.
ಏನಕ್ಕ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Lords, I'm appearing on behalf of the caveator, fifth respondent, lords.
It's a premature transfer, my lord. I was appointed in June 2024. Senior counsel online. Dear Vishankar.
Assistant registrar of.
ಬರಬಾರ್ದ ಅವ್ರು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಲಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ?
He's there, I thought they are taking time.
Lords,
Yes, sir.
Assistant registrar of cooperative societies, my lords, this is, they have to go to KSAT. They are regulated
And
by.
Lord, I've already taken charge on
Property
9.
society, sir.
Please.
Howdo? Assistant Register of.
Dispute.
ACT.
70 straight away before the DRCS. See section 70, sir, employer, employee, 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 everything.
No, Milords, they are property department employee.
Transfer also there only. Covered, sir.
Until then, if I can.
No,
I've
until
already
then.
taken charge, my Lord, on 9.
He's already taken charge. It's covered. Cooperative society, alle, ella.
I'll take it.
Learned, heard the learned senior counsel, Dhananjay Joshi appearing for the petitioner. The learned senior counsel, after arguing the matter, would seek leave of this court to withdraw the petition and avail of such remedy as available in law.
Great.
Please, Milords.
Grateful.
22.
Appear for the petitioner. It's a compensatory appointment, my lord, where the application of the petition was rejected on the ground. The petition was rejected on the ground that the qualification, that is PUC 10+2, is not equivalent to PUC. On that ground, it has been rejected, my lord.
Learned AG is directed to accept notice for the respondents.
All the respondents. All the respondents, yes. I've sought for an interim order, my lord.
Compassionate appointmental interim order.
ಅದೊಂದು ಅಂಗನವಾಡಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಫಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಟ್
ಯಾವತ್ ಬೇಕು?
Day after tomorrow.
ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಎಜುಕೆ?
Number 64.
Ah.
18. Friday ಮಾತ್ರ hearing ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
64 ಫ್ರೈಡೇನಾ? ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
Serial number 57, my lord. Serial number 57. Kindly have day after tomorrow.
ಯಾವ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, actually it's
ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಆರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್. ಎಸ್.
Serial number 23, my lord.
ನಾಳೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ there are 50 matters of that court.
Serial number 23, my lord. Friday, my lord.
Serial number 29 was specifically it was posted for today, my lords, for consideration.
ಎಲ್ಲ on you ask that court, sir.
Yes, day after tomorrow, my lords.
No, sir. Ask that court.
Today, my lords.
Serial number 53.
My lord, serial number 57, my lord. Date matters, my lord. Kindly have it Friday.
ಅವ್ರು ಕರಿ ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಪೂಲಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದಾ? ಸ್ಕೂಲ್
Serial number.
3, my lord.
Serial number 57, my lord. Serial number 57, my lord. Date given matters, my kindly have it Friday.
53, my lord.
His lordship will come day after tomorrow. You make a mention there. Interim orders will continue, sir. All interim orders will continue.
Date given
Madam,
matters.
ಅದು interim orders ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Yes.
Serial.
Week's time is granted to comply with the office objections. In the event the stand complied, the registry is directed to put up the matter for preliminary hearing on an appropriate date. Yes.
Serial number 20.
ಬೇರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿನೇ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಅಲ್ಲ, there is no only two respondents.
Day after tomorrow I'll ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಕಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಸರ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Serial number 57, my lord. Kindly have it Friday.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತು ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂತಾರ ಅದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅವತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಪುನಃ
ಅದು RFN ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಇದು.
ಹೋಟೆಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ 8 ಇದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು.
ರಿಟ್ ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ
ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಹಾಕಲ್ಲ. ಫ್ರೈಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? RFA ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫ್ರೈಡೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ನನಗೆ ನಾಳೆ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡಮಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ.
ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ
ಆಯ್ತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂಡೇ ಆಗ.
ಮಂಡೇ ಬರ.
Serial number 57
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
ಮಂಡೇ ಅಲ್ಲ 29 ಮಂಡೇ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಬೇಸಿಸ್
ಮಂಡೇನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾಡದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದಾರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಅವರು ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಅವರು ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಏನ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಲಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೈ ಸೀನಿಯರ್
ಏನ್ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ
my lord, KPTCL is working executive engineer in the KPTCL, my lord. What happened, my lord, he met an accident, his grievous injury ಆಯ್ತು. ಅವರು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 45 ಲಕ್ಷ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 10 ಲಕ್ಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾ ಕಟ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇವ್ರೇ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ವಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರು.
How did you Monday
my lord 29
ಎಲ್ಲ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತೊಂದ್ರೆ.
Serial number 50.
ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್.
Serial number 23, my lord, sir. The objections have been complied with.
Yes.
But still it has been shown as under the objections, my lord, sir.
How court this, sir? Which court?
Quota number 8, my lord, sir.
8 ಅಲ್ಲೇ next.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ difficulty is that objections have been complied with, my lord, sir, but it has not been observed while during the course of putting up.
No problem. Yes, mention in that court only. Now continue the list. Yes.
Then say otherwise I would not have made a mention, my lord, sir.
B group matters, seal number 122.
For the petitioner, my lords.
Respondent number 1
My
to
lords,
4 and 6, my lord.
Suit for partition, my lords. Petitioner is the defendant before the trial court, my lords. Being aggrieved by the judgment and decree passed by the trial court, petitioner.
Judgment and decree. Judgment ಆಗೋಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Suit filed by the first respondent, my lord. Suit filed by
I
the first
filed an impeding application in regular appeal, my lords.
Order 1 rule.
Application in regular appeal, my lords.
Order 1 rule 10.
Yes, my lords. The proposed respondent is the necessary party, my lords, because the plaintiff has
List on 25th in preliminary hearing. Next.
My lord.
My lords, matter is
No problem.
for final arguments, my
No,
lords.
yes, next.
Both side argument was completed, my lord.
List on 25th. Yes, next.
Grateful, my lord.
My lords, kindly, my lords.
No statement. Yes.
Trial court is not granting.
No,
large.
madam. Yes, next.
123 urgent, 124. 124.
ಇದೇನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಂತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ?
Madam, my lord, they have to pay.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
41 lakh, madam.
ಯಾಕೆ?
They have to pay.
For what?
Consumption charges, madam.
Consumption charge. Disconnect ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ?
Yes, madam. Consumption charges not paid.
Yes, sir. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಕೊಡಿ. ಸರ್ವ ಕಾಪಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಬರೀ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡಿಎದವರು. ತಾವು ಕೇಳಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತಾರೆ.
Let BDA come, sir. Next.
125.
230 ಮೂಡಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇದು ಬಿ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮುಗಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. 125.
125.
List on 25th. No representation. We have the petitioner list on 25th. Next.
230 mood matters. Order seal number 1, G. Mahantesh.
I am appearing for petitioner in this case, my lord. I sought for restoration of filed under order 21 rule 97.
Restoration of what?
IA order for objector, I have filed application.
I know objector 2197. What has happened to that?
I am in position, I am owner of the property.
You are an objector, but what has happened to the application?
Because of non-prosecution dismissed, rejected.
ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ?
2 years. 80 years ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದಿದೆ.
80 years ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಕ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತನಾ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ?
ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಿಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ವಾರಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಫೈನಲಿ ಅನಕ್ಷರ್ ಏದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು 3 ಹೌಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದು 3 ಹೌಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅವರೇ ವಾಸ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೌಸಸ್?
3 ಹೌಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ 1 nowhere concerned to
petitioner to serve on the counsel appearing for the respondents. Suit for partition.
Correct. ಇದು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಅವರು
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೆನರಿ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್. Next.
Preliminary hearings, number 2, Rudrappa P.
Rudrappa.
For petition, not application filed under section 151 of CPC, my lord.
ಏನು?
Application filed, my lord, under section 151 of CPC, my lord.
ಏನು?
After death of the GPA holder, my lord, suit has to be abated, my lord. Annexure E is the application, annexure.
Correct. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಈಗ?
Not, they have not considered my application. They have rejected my AA application. Annexure G is the order, my lord.
Respondents, petitioners to serve on the respondents. Counsel for the respondent lists the matter on 30th till such time further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed. Next.
Number 3, Jayan.
For the petitioner, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is an execution petition that is filed before the commercial lawyers. The original plaint took place in Secunderabad. I was not aware about the proceedings and judgment was passed. Now execution is also filed, Your Lordship.
Correct.
And now they have filed an application
You are not aware ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನರ್ಥ?
ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ?
Because the defendant number 1 therein was a proprietor. He passed away. 2 and 3 subsequently were rolled into the petition. And this is the only residential property that I own today.
That's a different thing. Yes. Those please you can't put forth.
Order is at page number 17, Your Lordship.
So what application did you file?
Lordship, I made to file an application. I was not served the copy, Lordship.
What copy, sir?
Copy of this notice, Your Lordship, for the execution petition.
How did you come to know of it then?
It was only when they came up to my place for the attachment of the property, I got to know about it.
Serve on the counsel, petitioner to serve on the counsel who represents the respondent decree holder, first respondent decree holder. List day after tomorrow.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Interim order, Your Lordship.
Avat, day after tomorrow.
Please.
ಇದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬಂದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ 4:15 ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇದು ಇಂಟರ್ಲೋಕೇಟರ್ ಏಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಇದೆಯಾ all vacating interim orders are there. Vacating interim orders, will all hear them on Wednesday next. At the top of the list, we'll post vacating interim orders.
133 is concerned, one short question.
Whatever short it is.
The petitioner is the tenant.
List, we'll list it on 23rd. At the top of the list, vacating stay will come. Yes. That's all.
The only
all,
thing is
all interlocutory applications. 138. Adirle, wait. That I will hear. Although that's not vacating stay.
Serial number 128.
Up to 1 minute, up to 135 vacating stay applications iradilla. List them all on 23rd. Interim order subsisting will continue till the next date of hearing.
if it could be had on top of the.
Top of the list only. First 10:30, it will begin with interlocutories.
Grateful.
Preliminary hearing will be in second list.
132.
132 ಏನು? Dispense with production. 132. Even that ಅವತ್ತೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
136.
I am appearing for respondent 2 for this. Appearing for respondent.
I appear for the petitioner in this matter, my lord.
Respondent 2, KCPCR. I am filing memo. The case is already disposed in commission.
Counsel for the respondent files a memo that the suit out of which the present proceeding arise itself is disposed before the concerned court. In that ಯಾವ suit madam ಇದು?
My lord, this is a GM race matter, my lord.
Why are you on VC?
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, I had.
That is why this is the problem. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ.
My lord, this is a.
VC is not meant for young people, sir.
I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes. Appear. List day after tomorrow.
Please.
137.
Happening for petitioner, I'll file my objections to the application for release of money. The matter may be clubbed with WP number 24748. This is a matter which is arising out of the inquiry on the mean profit. The amount
ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
please
ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ತೆ?
ಅವತ್ತೇ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, see from last, Supreme Court had directed them to pay 20
ಈಗ
lakhs.
ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ರಿಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಗೋ.
They have moved the memo. They are saying mostly 25th list ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ the advocate on record has told.
ಆಯ್ತು.
Another connector may be brought tomorrow. We have no objection.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಿಟಿಷನ್.
Well, it's WP number 2.
I have no objection to record evidence. Our evidence record ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. They have filed the application for the
decision of mean profit. There is an evidence.
No,
Further evidence.
We have no objection to record evidence. I will say no objection. Let it be brought tomorrow.
That it may be allowed in that case.
Petition that is not listed should be allowed.
On his this thing.
I have filed the application for appointment.
List agdire petition allow ಮಾಡಬೋಣ. You want me to be here or not?
I will make a statement tomorrow.
Yes, tag this petition along with so and so.
A date will be given, so that they can also be disposed of.
Yes, tag this petition along with so and so, list on Friday.
Objection.
May request Monday, next Monday, 21st. Kind. It's the 21st next Monday. Grateful.
ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಮಗೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು.
I'm
Yes.
138.
Petitioner. The commercial court, Lord, passed an order to release the money deposited, to deposit before the Kanpur court. Even.
ಏನ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? It is arising out of what?
Lord, yes, MSME award was challenged before the court, before the commercial court at Bangalore, Lord, under section 34. An interim order of stay was granted in terms of depositing 75% of the award amount. I have deposited the amount before the commercial court at Bangalore. Thereafter, issue of jurisdiction was crept up before the commercial court, and the commercial court held that it is the court at Kanpur has got the jurisdiction and returned the
court at Kanpur
and returned the application. So I have represented it before the Kanpur.
You are the judgment debtor.
Yes, madam.
What is the decree?
Pay a sum of rupees 32 lakhs.
32 lakhs.
Yes.
I'll get back to you. 32 lakhs.
Yes.
All right. That is, you've challenged it where?
Before the court at commercial court at Bangalore. This court said this court has no jurisdiction. Present it before the commercial court at Kanpur.
So that is now at Kanpur.
It is before the Kanpur court.
That
Kanpur court
amount you have deposited in Kanpur?
No, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅದು deposit. You have to withdraw it and deposit there.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ನಿಮ್ದೇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
He is opposing that.
Presently, I am under execution.
All right.
The orders in question are two. One is in Com 84 of 2024. The other one is in execution 721 of 2024. There are two orders passed on the same date, Malats, in which I seek for as the decree holder, I am seeking for the deposit to be released for the part satisfaction of the award. That is and the deposit is made under section 19 of the MSMED Act. Right. Malats, meanwhile, what they do is.
Now, 1 minute.
Yes, Malats.
He has deposited the amount before this court, before the jurisdictional court here, correct?
Yes, Malats.
Correct. Now the jurisdictional court says it has no jurisdiction. Is correct or not?
Malats, I have my submissions with respect
to it. It is not said.
See,
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Malats,
in fact, this court has already passed an order releasing the money to be deposited before the Kanpur court.
This court?
Oh, the commercial court. We quoted it.
This court or commercial court?
Commercial.
Malats, the same day this honorable court had granted stay.
In his writ petition, he has not sought for an interim order. And
no, he had not sought an interim order to protect that amount. I myself granted it. I asked him, we have not sought for interim order.
By then, the commercial court has already passed the order releasing the amount. Nevertheless, I'm on that score. I'm not on that score.
You're still not amended for the interim prior.
Malats, I had submitted an IA with respect to it. The copies have. Sir,
no,
I have served the copies upon them through email as well as by hand.
Now you fight it out in Kanpur.
Malats, agreed. I am not saying that the matter has to be contested, that happens to be the appropriate forum. The question is with respect to deposit and whether this court had the right to actually withhold the deposit or not. And can it be, and the subsequent question arising therefrom is, can it be released in the favor of the decree holder, especially who is under execution? Right, Malats?
No. To be, he will.
Who is under execution? Right, Malats?
No. To be, it has to be deposited here. He will deposit there. You contest it, and whatever amount is to be, let that particular court pass an order of withdrawal. You file an application. See, when the court says it has no jurisdiction, it has to go to Kanpur. Now you can't seek extra orders there saying that it should be released in your favor.
My lords, the question is of territorial jurisdiction. The court did have the inherent powers to order for the deposit. My lords, my submission is that there are two aspects over here. One, there was a conditional stay which was ordered by the court here, under the presumption that it does have the jurisdiction, has been returned. Would that mean that whatever orders that have been passed with respect to statutory compliance would also be waived off?
No, it is not waived off. The deposit would be transferred to that court. There you file an application for withdrawal, whatever you want it is. Now that this court has said that it has no jurisdiction, I can't permit you to withdraw that amount.
My lords, then the pertinent question, I'll just conclude with this, my lords. My pertinent submission is, my lords, then the stay which was granted by this honorable court also needs to be
This
vacated.
court?
Yes, my lords. They have filed a writ petition. Copies haven't been served. The copies have been served over email. My lords, I'm also handing
So
over the
this,
copies
if this
right
is the only issue, we'll resolve it by
My
this.
lords, there are only two issues.
Otherwise,
One
I'll
is
take
the
it tomorrow. Copy
execution.
kodi.
ಅದನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಈಗ
Sir,
ಸರ್ವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ
there is,
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಪಿಯರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇನ್ ಮೈ
I have
think copy
appeared
kodi only.
appearances because I have filed for vacating stay.
Copy kodi. I'll take it tomorrow.
My lords, and meanwhile,
the
my
matter
lords,
is
I'll just
before Kanpur court.
ಕಾನ್ಪುರ್ ಕೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ they have to deposit this amount there, that is the problem.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ.
Fresh matters
ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
ಪ್ರಿಲಿಮಿನರಿ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
My lords, I have done some amount of research with respect to what I have submitted. Perhaps I will submit it. I'll give them a copy.
Give it. List tomorrow. ನಾಳೆ ತಗೊಂಡು. Yes.
While rejecting the withdrawal of the deposit, the executing
My
court.
lords, there is also a contention of limitation there. There are 3 office objections.
Not on that.
Matter is not
Maybe
admitted
anything.
there.
I am on this, that when the court says it has no jurisdiction, the deposit lying there will go to the court which has jurisdiction. As simple as that. Let's see. Yes.
Deposit in the court cannot be attached. That is the.
Password.
Serial number 11.
I'll call the password matter.
Password matter.
My lords, one request if I may, my lords. 139, can it be taken on 23rd, my lords? State have filed objections, my lords.
ನಿಮಿಷ. Wait. Password ಮುಗಿಲಿ. Password ಕರೀರಿ.
Password number 5.
My lord, bring for petition, my lord. Pray for time, my lord.
Fresh time.
Interim order may be extended. my lord.
ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇದು ನಾಟ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನಬಲ್ ಇದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಯರ್ಸ್?
ಇಲ್ಲ my lord, already. ಕೆಲಸ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ.
Then I will pass the order. Tell him.
My lord, kindly have
Purpose
tomorrow.
proceedings na ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Yes.
Lord, kindly have tomorrow, my lord.
List tomorrow. No adjournment will be granted.
No,
Ask him to come. Yes.
stay may be granted until.
Stay ಇದೆಯಾ?
Stay, my lord.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ. Yes. Till the next date. Yes, next.
11.
My lords,
ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ ಮೇಡಮ್?
my lords, trial court ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳೆನೇ ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ my
ಏನ್
lords.
ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್?
My lords, the respondents had filed, the plaintiffs, they filed a suit for permanent injunction and damages, my lords. But a injunction was granted. Thereafter, my lords, I filed my WS and a memo adopting the written statement as objections. Without even hearing that application, my lords, the trial judge has framed issues and then plaintiff evidence close ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The
The
impugned order is
petitioner
that-
shall serve on the counsel who represents the plaintiff before the concerned court. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ accepting the submission of his objections overruled ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿ, the on the counsel so and so list the matter on 23rd. Further proceedings before the concerned court shall remain stayed till the next date. Yes.
Obliged.
Next.
22.
I appear for the petition. Lord, I have made a compilation of all the rules.
All the rules.
Please, relevant rules applicable.
ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ this will go on and on.
No, my lords, it may be heard because on the last day.
Not now. Yes.
My lord, I have made, just before that, my lord, I have made the
sir,
list.
ಈಗ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
Tomorrow, my lord, this.
Not
My
tomorrow.
lord, this entire report, my lord, is completely based on 2006 regulations.
We'll see. ನಾಳೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಮೇಡಮ್?
I will not take 10 minutes, my
ಆ
lord.
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. Yes.
I'll not take more than 10 minutes at 2:30 tomorrow.
No, 3:30.
3:30, please.
10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
At the 10 minutes, I'll conclude.
Yes.
Very well.
The interim order to be.
ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 1 hour ಬೇಕಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಎಸ್.
I need 5 minutes.
My lord, in fact, on that I have given the, each of the
Let me
reports.
see
my lord,
tomorrow.
Please. Interim order, your next.
Interim order subsisting will continue to the next. ಎಷ್ಟು? ನಾಳೆ ನಾಡಿದ್ದು ಕೇಳೋಣ.
ಸಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ,
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
2 rule 2 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸಮನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲೇ ಅವರ ಅಡ್ಟೆಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1094 ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll see.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
21st. Yes, list on 21st. 58.
This is where, my lord, attachment of property worth about 10 to 15 crores.
Yes, sir.
Please, my lord, commercial appeal list agilla. It was supposed to be listed today, but my lord, at least to show my bona fides, 54 lakhs is the amount which is due, at least allegedly due. I'm disputing the entire amount. But my lord, to show my bona fides, I'll make 10% deposit, my lord, and it may be kept in the registry. I'll at least seek whatever benefit I can before the coordinate bench, my lord.
Amount due is a crore rupees.
It's 54 lakhs, my lord. I produced it.
I'll file my memo of calculation.
I don't have to, it's their document.
10% of that, my lord, I'll
my
take my
case
chances
is
in next
their
question.
document, my lord, their document.
I'll take my, from arising out of the decree.
Execution they filed. I'm challenging the
ಈಗ
execution procedure.
ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪೀಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ?
54 lakhs.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ.
So 10%, my lord, I'll make a deposit, my lord. It can be right away.
10%
This court on previous date is taken.
Your lordship, my lord, at least let him deposit 50% of that. There's nothing, 10% is nothing.
There, so
ಆಯ್ತು,
there are
54
deposit
lakhs, sir. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
anyway.
ಕೇಳಿ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ.
ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ
This is
ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು.
only for adjournment purposes.
But he's taken a month and then he comes with 10%.
Sir, what happened? Division bench list ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರೇನು?
I'm not saying anything.
I filed
If
it,
you are on
moved
this side
multiple
also the same thing.
memos.
And you have not moved memos?
Moved multiple memos, my lord.
Yes. The
But that anxiety, I will.
ಯಾವತ್ next date ಯಾವತ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
Kottilla, my lord. It was supposed to come today.
Then,
It was supposed to come today. In fact, my lord, we tried to take it on Friday.
This court on so and so had passed the following order. The matter stands adjourned by 2 weeks, enabling the petitioner to move a memo before the division bench and get the matter listed, subject to the condition that he would deposit 10% of the amount claimed in execution
Please.
In the next 2 weeks
The registry, my lord.
before
because
the
let it be-
registry of this court.
Please.
Great.
The undertaking to continue, my lord. Because
What undertaking?
No, I'm not, I
It's
had
the
said
undertaking.
that
It's
I'll
the same
take an
undertaking
adjourn-
which continues
one-
that.
One
No.
second, sir, on the first date.
Undertaking ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 lakhs ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Amount in
Yes,
execution.
whatever in amount in execution.
Please, please, please.
ಇಲ್ದೇ ಅವರು 1 crore ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
Amount in
Yes,
execution.
whatever in amount in execution.
Please, please, please.
ಇಲ್ದೇ ಅವರು 1 crore 10
Again,
lakhs.
it goes on to that, my lord. That's why. Please, oblige.
Yes, yes.